The other day I filmed a really dope ass video for you guys. It was a drink with me slash snack with me and talk about ghost stories video, which I was really excited about because if you know me, you know I like to geek out on ghost stories. I filmed it and it was really good, but when I went back to edit it, I noticed that my makeup looked really bad because my skin had been acting up. I've been going through an ugly rut. I'm actually gonna go in with this Flexi foundation brush just so I can apply this really nicely. I don't want my makeup to come out like that again. The eye look that I did was so cute. It was a Maddie inspired makeup tutorial from Euphoria. I think I mentioned to you guys before that I love that show. I can literally watch it over and over and over. It's just so good. Now that I have our room organized this way, I feel like it looks really cute. But let me know what you guys think. I actually might do one more pump.
This is the way it's been since she started smoking pot.
And then I'm gonna go under the eyes and start blending all of that out. Make sure that you pay attention to the sides of your nose. Alright you guys, so that is looking really good right now. And today I think I'm gonna actually go in with some RCMA mixed with a tiny bit of the Revolution Banana Light Powder. And I'm just mixing them together really quick. I'm just gonna go under my eyes one more time to blend everything out. And then I'm gonna take some of the powder and press that down. We're contoured and bronzed up. Now that that part's done, I'm gonna fix plus my face really quick. I'm gonna go over that with a beauty blender and I'll be right back because that shit looks so slamming.
Slamming outfit.
Oh. Have you guys ever seen Save the Last Dance? Dude, that movie was the shit. Shade Burlesque, you guys. Alright you guys, the hair is done. I didn't really do much to it. I just wanted to feel sexy, like a siren or something like that. I know Karina's gonna like this look. I really can't wait for Karina to get home. I miss her. All day I've been missing her. I'm just gonna chill out for a little bit, maybe watch some YouTube. And yeah, I'll talk to you guys in the next video. Bye guys.
I'm so fucking high right now.
I'm just relaxing right now. I'm probably gonna find a movie to watch. Karina's working, so it's just me right now. Wow. Honestly, how long was the lipstick on my teeth for? Because I was talking to you guys looking like a damn fool. Whatever. I feel like a snack right now. I feel cute as fuck right now, so I'm soaking it all in and getting it on camera because I'm gonna look back at this footage and remind myself that I am that bitch. I ain't mad at it. I told you. She came in here looking at me.